Welcome to 213 Wynn Way, Unit B. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, duplex patio home in the Broad River Road or St. Andrews Road area of Columbia, Northwest Columbia. It's convenient to Harbison, quick commute to downtown Columbia, and not too far from Lake Murray as well. We're out front. It's the unit on the right side. You have a 2-car parking pad out front. There's a covered front porch or entry as you approach as well. And then as we step inside, you will notice there are luxury vinyl plank floors pretty much throughout the entire unit. So you enter into a living room, which is a nice size. You have a ceiling fan in here, several windows. You have your bedrooms down that way, and then the kitchen is back towards the front. There is a closet off the entry as you come in, just a small coat closet. And then on the other side, you have the dining area off of the kitchen. You have chair rail molding in here. And the kitchen itself is back in the corner. So you have white appliances. There is a refrigerator, electric stove, and a dishwasher. And then towards the rear of the house, again, we have the 2 bedrooms. There's another closet here on our right, a coat closet. Then we go into this bedroom, which faces the rear. You have a closet on this side, sort of a smaller walk-in. And then access to the backyard is via this room as well, or to the rear space. So a sliding door out to a small deck on the back, and then you sort of back up to a wooded area at the rear of the property. And then second bedroom facing this way as well. Also have a ceiling fan and crown molding in here. And the closet pretty much the same as in the first bedroom. There's an attic pull down here, as well as just a small sort of cabinet on the right side, or a linen closet with some storage. You have your full-size washer and dryer connections in the laundry closet. The shelf above. And then on this side, just a bit more open closet space, and then the full bathroom that the 2 bedrooms share. So there's a single vanity and large countertop in there, and then a shower and tub behind the door. So that completes our tour of this home, 213 Wynn Way in Northwest Columbia. You can find out more information online at turnerproperties.com.